This video is to show you how to create beginner-friendly box braids on short hair. If you are new to braiding or having clients with short hair, please stay tuned and watch to the end.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. I started by prepping the hair extension beforehand and placing them on my braiding rack to keep everything organized and within reach. Having everything ready before you begin is such a time saver, especially for beginners. Next, I gently massage my client's hair. This step is crucial because it helps to improve blood flow and relaxes the hair, making it easier to work with. Then I applied my homemade leave-in conditioner to hydrate and soften the hair. This product is great for adding moisture and ensuring the hair is manageable throughout the braiding process. If you want to know how I made that leave-in conditioner, check in my page and you will see it. So, to give this braid a neat and polished look, I applied generously a generous amount of braiding gel, which you saw me doing earlier. Then it's perfect for smoothing out the roots and keeping flyaways in check. I then divided the hair into small sections. For beginners, this part is key. Taking your time to part the hair properly will give you cleaner and more professional looking braids. As I began braiding, I demonstrated the technique step by step. I made sure to show close up shots and repeated the process multiple times so you can see exactly how to add the extension and braid securely. Don't rush, just take your time to get comfortable with this technique. If you have watched this video up to this moment, why not take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like, share this to your family and friends, and tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you. If you look closely, I showed you how I held this hair extension. I have already divided that hair into two because I'm just going to insert her natural hair just in two places, not three places. This is the best technique I've been using and it has been working well for me. So now you see I separated her hair into two, and instead of three I made it into two. Then I started braiding, just looping it around just like this. You continue looping until you're comfortable. At a point where her hair, because it's a natural hair and it tends to stick out, so you're going to use the braiding gel. Make sure you just touch it with a natural hair to have a slick, just like I'm doing, to make sure our natural hair is slicking down in order for you to hide that hair, for the hair not to be coming out, or maybe for the hair not to be seen when you finish plaiting the hair. I still do the same thing towards the tip of her hair. So I don't want her hair to be showing after braiding her hair. I want the whole extension to be like her hair is not even showing at all.
Yeah. Na, 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 na.
Now that I've gotten to the middle part, I divided her hair into two from the center of her head down and make sure they are equal. Then I put one into a ponytail because I don't want it to get in the way of the other one. Then afterwards, the other section, I had to start dividing it just like this because I'm making a kind of medium / large braid for this client. So I'm showing the same process I did earlier, dividing the hair into two. The portion I'm going to plait, I've divided it into two, separated her hair into two instead of three, and then I started to loop them around and braid it down till I get to the ends of the hair.
Yeah. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Yeah. Na 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 na.
If you can do this technique, you're good to go. You can braid like a pro. So I'm doing that same thing again. I just want you to make sure you understand what I'm saying. Separating the client's hair into two, and then your extension is into three, right? But you separated our own hair into two, and then you start looping around, like braiding it down until you got to the ends of the hair. That is what I've been doing, and it has been so amazing. So you'll be able to understand. If you've watched this video, you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. It will make your braid tighter, not too tight, so of course not to cause bumps on the client's hair, but it will make it firm with the help of your braiding gel. Here I didn't get it right, but I had to start adding extension because I felt it was too tiny. So I was making sure everything are looking the same amount, the same size all through the hair. So if you feel it's getting thin, you add extension to it. Braiding, I rolled the ends with coilers to create some beautiful coils. I dip the rollers in hot water, which helps to set the coils and give the braids a soft bouncing finish. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give these videos a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner friendly tutorials like this one. And there you have it, a stunning box braid style on short hair that's perfect for beginners to learn. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Daisy.